Hello friends, I will discuss the important topic quadratic equation. Any equation can be written in form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is we say as a quadratic equation where a, b and c are real number. Any real number, whatever real number is possible, and we know that a real number is a infinite set. So any real number which is placed here, for example of quadratic equation, first example 2x square plus 4x plus 7 is equal to 0. This we say as a quadratic equation. Why? Because it is in form of ax square plus bx plus c. Second example, 2x square minus 50 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation also. Here it is also in form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here middle term is not available. I have spoken already, a, b, c are real number. So b here as a 0. Value of b as a real number here is 0. In third example, we are discussing 4x square plus 5x is equal to 0. Here constant a is 4, b is 5 and constant term is a 0. So this is also a quadratic equation. Let us see one of the important method to solve quadratic equation, formula method. What is the formula method? We discuss here first. If equation is a ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, formula method to solve. What is the formula for us? X is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. First solution we say as alpha. Alpha is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, while beta is what? Minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. To solve this equation, what we have, we divide this solution into two parts. First we find discriminant. What we say discriminant? D is equal to b square minus 4ac. We are going to discuss very important example. The example where the numbers are in form of surds. Why we are discussing this example? Mostly in surd form equation is there. It create problem for the student. For multiplication, addition, subtraction in surds, this is creating problem for the student. So first example is there. Root 6x square minus 4x minus 2 root 6 is equal to 0. If we compare the equation with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, a is a root 6, b is a minus 4, c is minus 2 root 6. First we find discriminant. Discriminant is what? B square minus 4ac. Substitute the value. Here b is minus 4 is square minus 4 root 6 into minus 2 root 6. If we simplify, what we will get? Square of negative number is also positive. So 16. Why we are getting plus sign? Because negative and negative product we are getting plus. And root 6 into root 6 is what? 6. So 8 into 6 is what? 48. So value of discriminant what we are getting is a 64. Very important thing is that this discriminant is what? Perfect square number. Now we find the solution of the equation. What is solution of the equation is there? X is equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a. Why we are getting root d? D is nothing but we have already spoken. D is discriminant, say b square minus 4ac. We substitute the value here. What we are getting? X is equal to minus 4 plus minus root 64 upon 2 root 6. Now, what is simplification of root 64? We are getting 8. So, 4 plus minus 8 upon 2 root 6. So, first solution is alpha, that is say x, 4 plus 8 upon 2 root 6. What is simplification of 4 plus 8? 12 upon 2 root 6. So, if you cancel it, so what we get? 12 we cancel by 2, we are getting 6. 6 upon root 6 is what? Root 6. If we divide x by root x, we are getting root x. So, solution of this first part is what? X is equal to root 6. While second part is what? X is equal to 4 minus 8 upon 2 root 6. What is the value of 4 minus 8? We get minus 4. That is of minus 4 upon 2 root 6. So, further simplification, what we are getting? X is what? Minus 2 upon root 6. So simplification is what? X is equal to minus root 6 upon 3. How we are getting? What we have to do? Whenever we write the answer, shirt should not be in denominator. Answer is always in form of what? Where the denominator should be always integer. Okay? Yeah, positive integer, yeah, negative integer. No problem. But never our answer shirt should be in denominator. So we are rationalizing here and we get 2 root 6 upon 6. Minus 2 root 6 upon 6. Further simplification, what we are getting? Minus root 6 upon 3. So this simplification, solution is what? Alpha and beta we are getting. Alpha is what? Root 6. Beta is what? Minus root 6 upon 3. So solution set of this equation we write in form of set. Always in set form. What is solution? Root 6 comma minus root 6 upon 3. Want to discuss one more important thing of quadratic equation where we use the concept of roots. What is the concept of roots are there? If equation is in form of ax square plus bx plus c, roots are say suppose alpha and beta, then we have a formula sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and product of root alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now we have some formula which will help us to use of this identity. For example, alpha square plus beta square is what? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Second formula, alpha cube plus beta cube is what? Alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. What is third formula, which is very important for us for anywhere? Alpha minus beta the whole square is equal to alpha plus beta the whole square minus 4 alpha beta. And last formula which we use frequently for solving a concept of this problem, alpha square minus beta square is what? Alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta. Now we discuss one example based on this identity. X square minus 2 root 5x plus 5 is equal to 0. If roots of equations, say suppose they are alpha and beta, then we have to find alpha square plus beta square. Second, 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Now, what is here? A is 1 in this equation. B is what? Minus 2 root 5 and C is what? 5. Now, what we have formula? Alpha plus beta is what? Minus B by A. So, alpha plus beta is what? Minus of minus 2 root 5 upon A. A is here 1, so we have not written here anything. So, sum of roots, alpha plus beta is what? 2 root 5. And product of root is what? C by A. So, C is what here? 5 and A is 1. So, product of root alpha beta is equal to what we have? 5. Okay. Now, what we have to find in this problem? Alpha square plus beta square. I have spoken already, we use this formula for solving the equation. Alpha square plus beta square is what? Alpha plus beta the whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Now, substitute the value as per formula. What we are getting? 2 root 5 whole square minus 2 into 5. What is value? Alpha square plus beta square is 2 root 5. 2 square is 4. Root 5 square is 5. So 4 into 5 is what? 20. 20 minus 10. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to 10. And second part of this question is what? We have to find 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. We take LCM. What we are getting? Beta plus alpha upon alpha beta. And what is the value? Beta plus alpha is the same as alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta we have already, we know the value is what? 2 root 5 and upon what? 5. So what is solution? We got 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is what? 2 root 5 upon 5. Thank you for watching video. Please like and share and subscribe.